important for you to make the main idea of your film understandable for the vast majority, or is it enough to when some really intelligent people got this idea in his mind?
It's hard. It's really, really, really hard. And it's a question that I still fight with. After Precious, I've had, many, many opportunities to do, studio movies. And I keep realizing, oh my God, am I messing up my career by going back to, voices that are unheard of. But I try to make commercial art house films. I was really surprised at the success of Precious, and I think that, because who would have thunk that could happen? And I think that hopefully I will give and inspire you all to continue on that road of thinking that you are the blockbuster and that you have the story within you.